Hi, my name is Daryl and welcome to this week's episode of Stay Golden Fitness TV. This week we're going to work on some healthy recipes and we're going to learn how to make some nice turkey burgers. Who's in? So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Start by cutting up half a green pepper. Getting all of our ground turkey meat into a bowl for mixing. Next, we're gonna start the seasoning. Now, I typically don't measure out my seasonings, but I do like my food very flavorful, so I'll do a healthy serving amount. Okay, and here's the secret ingredient, ranch seasoning mix. Next, we are going to need breadcrumbs and eggs in order to hold the patties together like glue. I did use breadcrumbs, but some healthier alternatives are almond and coconut flour. But let me know if you guys know any others that are healthier in the comments. Next, we're gonna mix everything up. Get all the seasonings into the meat so we can make sure that every patty is packed with flavor. Another thing that goes well in this recipe that I didn't add was diced onions. You're really going to have to get your hands dirty when making these patties. You're gonna form them into something like almost like a puck form. Before they go on the grill, make sure they're packed in nice and tight so they don't fall apart when you put them on the stove. Alright, so here's the finished product. Do a quick taste test. Wow, that's really good. That was really good. Got my salad on the side. I love some ketchup with it. And there's my dinner. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and check out more recipes that I'll have up for you. Stay golden.